FF Group presents easy-to-install server-based NumberOk software for vehicle data analysis. NumberOk has been included in traffic monitoring and access parking control projects worldwide for over 10 years now. Now, we are presenting it for the U.S. market. NumberOk supports all 50 U.S. states simultaneously. NumberOk is a reliable and high-quality software for producing and analyzing vehicle data. License plate, color, brand, model, type. Let's talk today about NumberOk Flexible Parking and Access Control Module. NumberOk installs in a few clicks with E-key only. Let's briefly see the main NumberOk features. NumberOk can work with any IP cameras supporting RTSP protocol. NumberOk can be easily integrated via Open API into any system parking payment and provides full information on vehicle perimeters. NumberOk has an outstanding LPR MMCR accuracy rate up to 95%. It manages external devices, barriers, and gates. It supports from 1 to 36 channels per one server or virtual PCs. Let's see NumberOk parking module in a few scenarios. NumberOk detects number plates, provides access control by denied or allowed list, and allows entry to a parking space. Automated access control to the parking residential spaces by listed plates and license plate and brand match. Arrange automatic entry to the territory for all vehicles and automatic exit for vehicles which were less when preset time for free parking. NumberOk detects number plates and calculates how many vehicles entering and exiting from the parking lot. If you have a network of parking lots in USA and are thinking how to control them all from one place, just install NumberOk Meta on your simple PC and get vehicle data from ANPR cameras. It manages information from FF Group on-camera applications based on Axis and Hanwha cameras. Don't wait and order full-feature trial right now.